Hi everyone, it's Amber from Quilts Plus, and today is day 3 of our 12 days of Christmas. I'm glad to share this with you. We've got some fun things going on today. I want to share first of all though our thought for the day. Go and visit a friend. Call someone you haven't seen in a while, make an appointment to see them, go and visit them. It'll brighten your day and it'll brighten theirs too. And on that, we're going to start. Our first item for today is something that I have shown you before. If you have seen my video on binding, you've seen me use this in action. This is a cutter tool. It's a ring and it has a bling on it. We have had this before, but without the bling. It just Velcros right on your finger, so it's very comfortable to wear. And the whole time I'm doing hand work, whether it's binding or wool work, of course, you who know me know how much wool work I do, but it is good for that too. Anything you do by hand, this is great for because it has a blade on either side. You just draw that thread across and it cuts it. You don't have to have a pair of scissors around or worry about the fact that they've gotten dull and just eat the thread instead of cut them. You have a nice cutter right in the palm of your hand. These are normally $21 and today they are $17.85. That's a nice savings. I hope you come and take advantage of that. Now, something else that we're showing today that I think is just darn cute. A lot of you have seen the blade saver. This is a mini blade saver. It has a little magnets just like the other one does, and it holds a 28mm blade. So let me get that hooked back in. There we go. This fits down inside of it. Pretty little flower. And just like the bigger one, it has 4 blade areas where you can cut the threads as you're chain piecing. I just think this one is adorable because it fits so well first of all, in the palm of my hand, but second of all, it doesn't take up a lot of room in my sewing case. It just slides right down in there and you're ready to go. Now, for your jumbo jobs, we have a large blade saver. This uses your used 60mm blades. I'm going to take that out. It holds by magnet just like the other one does. Your fingers won't get cut because of the way it's designed. And then you have a nice sharp blade to cut those threads. Now this is a bigger version. This is nice for sitting beside your sewing machine. So this one runs normally $20 and today it is $17, and the small one is normally $16 and today it is $13.60. So both fun items, great stocking stuffers. Would make a fun addition to your sewing room. Now I'm going to come over to this. This is our feature of the day. The name of it is Star Trails. This is a 60 by 75 inch quilt. Beautiful colors. It normally runs $109. And today the cost is $93. So that's a nice savings on this big quilt. Let me show you the back and the front. These specials are only good today. Our 12 days of Christmas are one-day only deals. Give us a call at 269-383-1790. We're here until 5 o'clock. And stay tuned for tomorrow's deals. Happy holidays.